26 Indiana 1, Manicure Kit You'll get one set of face care tools plus one hand care tools plus one foot care tools, which means save much money time to searching professional tool. Top quality manicure set contains fingernail and toenail clippers, personal care tools. No splash design allows the nail cutter to store nail scraps by pushing up the non-slip groove on the behind. No worry about nails splashing everywhere, bringing you a more clean cutting experience. Lightweight and portable Pedicure Kit 26-in-1 manicure set all in a portable case. Our nail clipper set comes with a leather case and smooth zipper design, make each component wear out less easily. Convenient to carry out or just home use. No more need to waste time to search a lost nail clipper. Best choice for gift: luxurious packaging, complete accessories, intimate care from head to toe. Manicure Set Nail Clippers Kit Pedicure Kit. And best gift for your relatives, friends, families, parents, husband and wife. High-quality stainless steel. The clippers will make your nails perfectly cut and well-groomed. With a sharp and precise blade, the cutting edge will not tear or split nails. 100% satisfaction. We provide you with excellent customer support. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Top reviews from the United States. Great packaging. I bought this kit for my daughter and she really liked the way it carries all the tools in a zipped bag. The product is great for the price. The quality of tools is good too.